Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how we can mute the audio in the Mozilla Firefox web browser. So let us dive right into it. So let's assume you're on Mozilla Firefox and you're, for example, you hear audio in the background on a specific website, and while working on other projects on your computer, while playing games or something like that, you don't want to listen to that audio or have it in the background here in Mozilla. So let us show you how you can turn off that audio only for Mozilla, but keep your audio on your computer working. So what you want to do, guys, or turned on, what you want to do, guys, is there are basically two different ways. The first option would be to simply mute the given tab here in Mozilla Firefox. So let's say you're, I don't know, on one of these sites or any other sites, and all you need to do is simply, let me just close that tab here, right click into the tab you're currently at, and from here simply select mute tab, and there you go. You will see that symbol here in the top left, that indicating that the audio for the given website on the given tab is currently turned off or muted. Now, of course, you will need to do that for any other tab you open. For example, you have several websites open in multiple tabs. You will need to right click into each tab and select mute tab, as you can see. So you may unmute them by simply clicking into that speaker icon here, or use the shortcut Ctrl M, and that is going to unmute it. So that's the first option, guys. If you'd like to mute Firefox entirely, not tab by tab, let me just unmute that one here. You will need to access the volume and the speaker settings on your computer. Usually, guys, it depends, of course, on the device and operating system, but usually you see the speaker icon in the bottom right corner here. After that, simply right click into it. Now it's in Polish for me, but it will be in English for you most likely. Enter your speaker settings. And after that, you may, for example, mute your speakers entirely here by clicking into this button. So you may do that, for instance. Let me close that. Or you may just let me right click into that symbol again. And after that, simply select the mixer. And here you will see, for instance, all sources that are currently able of playing audio in the background, like, for example, web browsers that are open, other softwares, games, applications, whatever is currently running on your device and that is capable of creating or producing sound. So what you need to do, guys, is simply click into that speaker icon below Mozilla Firefox to mute Mozilla Firefox, while at the same time keeping all other sources turned on, as you can see. So that's the second option, guys. That's how you mute Mozilla Firefox as a web browser. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.